So OpenAI has come up with a brand new product and they have launched a new AI browser and it is called as ChatGPT Atlas. So Perplexity has earlier launched a AI browser called as Comet, but now it's ChatGPT's turn. And at this moment, they are launching it available for macOS. So if you just go to this particular website, which is chatgpt.com/atlas, you will be able to download it for Mac and later it will be launched for Windows. So now let's see what are the features that it contains. So this is the logo for ChatGPT's browser Atlas. Initially hearing the name, I thought this is going to be some AI powered map tool because it has the name Atlas, but this is a browser and this is how the logo looks amazing. And this is the interface that you are seeing, quite similar to our Chrome. We are having a search bar and we are having a search area also in the middle of the screen. And here is the AI part that comes into play. Let's say you are browsing in any particular web page, okay? To the rightmost top, you are having an option called as Ask ChatGPT. And once you click that, it will open you a right side tab and it will have the context of that page. For example, this page has a title as "Yeah Frame by Sunday River," and here you can see in the search it is having that "Yeah Frame by Sunday." So basically you can ask any doubts regarding this particular web page itself. It will have the entire context of it. So you can just type it or you can use voice or even upload any documents or images and ask your question. So this is how you can simply ask the question and it will give the response from the data present in the web page and outside this website also. Here a person is having a quiz and you can simply like give the question number and it will solve it. So basically it just is more convenient way of getting the answer. You don't have to like copy paste a particular data from a website and ask. You can simply like click on a tab and ask your doubts. And there is more. And let's say you are writing an email and you want some correction. In that case, what you can do is you can simply copy the text that you have typed out and here you will be getting an automatic ChatGPT icon on top. If you click that, you will be getting describe your change as a text field. Here you can simply suggest what are the changes ChatGPT Atlas has to do on this particular text and make this more concise and it will automatically make changes over here. So this is a pretty neat feature. It's quite similar to Grammarly if you know that, but this is a great feature to have and it can even open your old tabs that you had browsed just by giving a text prompt. For example, here the user has given open the Halloween decorations I was looking at last week in some new tabs. So now by the single prompt, Atlas will open all the tabs that you browsed earlier automatically. So you don't have to like manually go to history and scroll through and open it. You can just give a simple text prompt and Atlas can go through your history, your past browsing thing and open it automatically. So that's a handy feature over there. And this is the most amazing feature. So in ChatGPT, we had that operator agent feature. So what this agent feature does is, in case if you want to like purchase or book something, it will automatically browse the web and put the items in the cart, and it can even pay for you if you had plugged in your payment details. So now this AI agentic feature comes directly into your browser. For example, here the user is in Instacart, just a e-commerce site to order things similar to Amazon, and the user has just asked, "Hey, I'm heading to the beach. Can you grab the usual beach day stuff?" So it's saying it will buy sunscreen, snacks, some supplies, and if you just click on continue, the AI agent will automatically browse in Instacart. So here we are having the instacart.com website and we are having take control because if you feel you want to add something or make any changes at any given point of time, you can just take control, stop the workflow and do anything. So we are having that option here also. And the AI agent will automatically search the stuffs and add to cart also. So here the user has given the prompt as beach stuff. So it has got the sunscreen, some pickle balls, towels and hat. And it will just add these stuffs to the cart. Here you can see. So once it has added, it will ask you to like finalize and check out. And if you have already given your payment details, you can just click on checkout and it will automatically complete the transaction. And apart from that, we are also having the incognito feature, like the same features that we have similar to all the other browsers. So in my opinion, this is an amazing release from ChatGPT, and I'm really waiting for to use this in Windows. And do let me know in the comments what you feel about it. Check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.